Umala kamen rumboi menteri katanar puli puthi jong ke jela ha ka shipho terek mentau benai ulapan bena bai ke exam HSSLC dan ke exam class 12 kabalapan sange ashwa namar ke jingkhang dam on sapellong hadien ba ke jinglong jingman ha ke jela kalabiang habai kren beklap thai khubor ulong ba ke sarkar ka haban perkhat rui ki ars pangot ki khana school ke biajan bar ke biyo ke jingpang covid-19 lane ki virus contact ba namar ke ni ka daw kimla ban thoi ke exam Ulong ru bakani ka khlam kala khata shika de e ki khana school barginoi kai barhabaro hi kiliang kumtau kentui ki paj ba bakin mi shakmat ban sheme katika baban kongu ye ki jing perkheng balabo da ka sarkar.
I'm very happy that that MBOS and all the teachers are working in tandem to see that the issue regarding the student welfare is solved, being conduct of exam, being the this evaluation of answer script. So the process will go, and I cannot set a timeline, but I have said that I have very much appreciate the effort of the teachers, the effort of the MBOs to see that whatever issue which come at hand they could solve immediately, so that the student will not suffer, or the anguish and anxiety of the student will be less. After we will review and will inform the candidate in due course of time. Not only that, there are about 200 students who could not do the exam because they are high risk contact or with the COVID patient, so they could not do the exam in the last few days. So we have to think about that also. So these two pending issues at hand, which we have to take in due course of time. So necessary instruction will come as we have asked, and when we see that it is feasible for us. With a limited capacity, limited mobility, that we could complete this exam.
So around 200 students due to COVID positive.
No, not COVID positive, because they have come into contact with the high risk contact. So to prevent anything, so they could not do the exam. So this will be done. They will complete in due course of time. Internet issue is a major issue not only here, all over the country, and the government of India has taken a proactive step in this sector. So I hope that in a few years, we are not expecting in a month, we could overcome this, but education cannot wait. And moreover, we have seen that online classes does not help much the students. So I wish that the safe environment could be there for the student to return into the classroom. That is my wish. The government has launched the program for this 45 years and above. But it is very sad that till day before yesterday, our 45-46% of the people in the state have been vaccinated. Many they have not come forward. So we are trying. So and we as and when this for 18 years and above this vaccine come. So we request that those who are eligible, that they should go forward and vaccinate themselves, so that we could take care of ourselves, prevent our own health. By prevent our own health, we could prevent the health of our family and friend, and also the student in general. You see, the way forward for us now is that to see, number one is that we have seen this pandemic is a major concern to each one of us. So it affects every way of life. So the first and foremost is that since the government has launched a massive mass program for this vaccination, so I request that each one of us who are eligible to come forward and do our vaccination. And then I request that each one of us should respect the whatever instruction and SOP being issued by the health department from time to time. This is very important, because it is only by breaking the chain of this COVID so that we could fight him. That is very, very important. So yes, it affects every way, all walk of life, but the thing is that we have to overcome together. Together, we have to overcome only by standing together, respect each other, and respect the instruction given by the government from time to time.